Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how I clean and store my faucets because I always get questions like how many times I wear them, how many times I wash them, how to make them look like brand new. So as you can see here, these are all dirty, but I'm going to make those babies look like brand new. To store them, I always keep their cases because faucets are super easy to lose, so I always keep them in their cases. And to clean them, I use this brush cleanser. This is from H&M and it was very affordable. You can use whatever brush cleanser you have. And also I'm going to use just a little bit of this micellar water and make sure that there's no oils in there because oils make those hairs fall apart from their lash band. You're gonna need some q-tips and tweezers, and here I'm showing you how dirty that lash looks and it's not cute, but I'm going to change that. First I'm going to spray the lashes and I'm going to wait a minute or two and let that cleanser to do his job, and also this will make that lash glue that is stuck in there to be very easy to remove. With the tweezers, I'm grabbing the lashes and gently with the q-tip I'm removing the makeup and all the mascara that is built in there, and as you can see there's a lot of mascara. So you want to be very gentle because lashes are very delicate, and if you have those expensive ones, trust me, you want to be very gentle. I'm holding lashes firmly and near the base so I don't mess with the shape of the lash, and gently I'm removing that lash glue with my tweezers, and as you can see here this lash is clean and is looking like brand new almost, and I'm going to let that dry on his case. So I know that there's a lot of tutorials on how to clean your lashes, but this is my way of cleaning them and it works just fine. I used it before and the lashes are looking good. So the process is not complicated at all. I would say it's more like easy the way I do it. So you just want to be very careful because as you can see here, you can pull up those hairs and we don't want that. And before I put them back in the case, I like to give them a little wiggle. And I didn't show in the beginning, but I like to wet the q-tip with the micellar water. What? And I don't know exactly how many times I wear a pair of faucets. I would like to say 5 to 7 times, and then I give them a good wash and then I wear them again because that's what I do. And these are not expensive at all. These are Ardell. They're from drugstore, very affordable, especially if you get packs like I do. And I love them. They are so easy to apply and very easy to wear during the day. Here I'm showing you the difference in between those that I just washed, and on the bottom are those that are brand new. I didn't wear them yet. So as you can see that they are looking pretty much the same. This one received more love. As you can see, they are looking a little bit funky, but at least they are clean. So I'm going to wear them a few more times and then I'm going to retire them because it's time. And yeah, these are my tips and tricks on how I clean and store my faucets. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.